Today I'm going to share with you my tablescape. The theme is apple cider farm to table get together. I will share with you recipes, my color scheme, ideas for a tablescape, and throwing an amazing party. Welcome to my channel, Freckled Mom at Home. If you're new, welcome. And if you're returning, hey! Today is part of a playlist and I'll explain that, but let's jump right into this tablescape. Every tablescape or themed party, I start with a tablecloth or some sort of fabric or covering for the table, and that's just my basis to get going. So I do have some DIYs here, which I previously shared on my DIY channel, so if you want to check those out, head over to Freckled Mom DIY and you can watch the full tutorial. That planter is a thrifted planter. I just cleaned it up and put it there for decoration, definitely not for food. These are baskets that are not food safe, so if anything that you're using is not food safe, you definitely want to put a napkin or some kind of barrier. So I'm going to start now with my plates, and I have these golden chargers and I love these. These go with so many different decors. This is the annual Gold Rush celebration of Kel's birthday. It's hosted by the Sophisticated Ladies Club. This is my first time working with these ladies and I'm very excited. If you haven't met the Sophisticated Ladies Club, here they are. Kel from If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Tammy Thompson from Tammy Thompson TV MG, Robin from Table Talk with Robin, Tamara from Love My Babies Forever, and Penny at Penny's Place. My color scheme here is a little mixture of everything. I have the gold chargers with my white plates, my white linen napkins with my smaller saucer plates, and now I'm going to decorate with a little extra color, white and gold, and I'm using pumpkins because it is fall. I love this idea for an apple cider party. This is such a nice way to have your friends over and not have some kind of heavy meal. So you could make some nice apple cider, and you're gonna see what we're gonna do here. As I said, all the DIYs are done on my Freckled Mom DIY channel, so go ahead over there when you're through after you check out the playlist and look out for those DIYs. So here, like I said, these are not food safe, so I did throw some linen napkins in before throwing my apples in. Now personally, red apples are my favorite, but I know people like green, so I did throw out some green apples. And I am so in love with how these colors came out and how special this day was. Everything from the ambience to the recipes to the food, it all connected so well together. Now I shared the apple cider recipe as an actual DIY and I think it was pretty brilliant, so you can check that out when you get a chance. I'm going to share that as well. It's on my Instagram as well as linked down in my description. And I am just putting some final touches out here. We have a beautiful setup in the back, which is more like something just to glance at. But again, it's beautiful. It's for fall. I feel like with a tablescape, you need the full surrounding to make a complete party. This pallet was something I had sitting in my yard and I made a little DIY with it. Everything I got from my basement or my garage, so you don't have to go out and spend a lot of money to decorate. Look around your house, see what you have, and utilize that before going to the store, because you'll be amazed what you have in your garage and laying around that you can repaint, redo, and turn it into something beautiful. As you can see, those flowers were a thrifted piece from a thrift store for $4, and I just gave it a little transformation. A lot of these pumpkins came from Walmart and they were 98 cents, so that's cheaper than the dollar store. But if you were to get older pumpkins from thrift stores or maybe an older model that you had from last year, you could just repaint them to whatever your style and your fall colors are for this year. Now, I am so in love with this, and I love apple cider, and I love entertaining. I think it is just so much fun adding in all the different textures and the colors. And again, using small items like Dollar Tree items or making your own decor really helps spread your budget so you can spend your money on the food, on fancier cheeses and fancy bread. So here we are, we have just some bread here. This is, you could use whatever bread you wanted. And these are some almond little pastries, and I'll share the recipes for that. And I just love how everything came together. It is so pretty, all the colors, and of course you want to add the little touches like cinnamon to your apple cider. And I think this is just so cute, and the cheeses obviously were my favorite. I'll have a list of those cheeses as well down in my description because they are delicious. Adding them on a cute little tray like this just adds to the ambiance. Fall is such a pretty time to have an outdoor party or a get-together, having your girlfriends over for some cider or dessert, and you can make it so beautiful without spending a lot of money, but you can make it look like you did. And I love everything about this. It is just so relaxing and sweet and just so cute. I think everything came together so well. The colors of the apples mixed with the gold and the white, it is just so pretty. Adding in a little rustic flair, it just ties it all together.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, gold anything, golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Walk up the river by my son. Feet step over splinters of the moon. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Gold birds,
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you were inspired, please consider subscribing if you aren't already. I have a lot coming up on my channel, Freckled Mom at Home, so make sure you hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. If you love crafting and DIYs, make sure to head over to my DIY channel, Freckled Mom DIY. Don't forget, this is a collaboration for Kel's birthday. Make sure to follow along the playlist and see what all the other ladies are creating today. Happy birthday, Kel, and thank you for watching to all my returning subscribers and my new friends, and I'll see you very soon. Have a great day, and thank you for coming by my home today.
Golden, golden thing.